Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on what to do if you can't find search icon or search bar on your TikTok. Make sure that you have updated to the latest version of the app and open the app. As you can see, I have search icon on the top right hand side of my screen. Now if you can't find this option, simply scroll down the notification bar and go to settings. Once you go to settings, scroll down and go to apps. Here on apps, open the apps. Once it loads up, scroll down and search for TikTok, or you can simply search TikTok. Here, go to stories by clicking on stories and clear your cache. If this doesn't work, clear your data and log in your ID again by updating TikTok. This will surely help you. Hope you like the video, like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below.